Make a great choice today with the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.